Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor basic tutorial how to part to drawing. For example, I will create simple part. In here I will create rectangle sketch and use extrude tools to convert this sketch into 3D objects. Click OK. Now if you want to convert this part to drawings, first you need to save this file. Click here save. I will save into example, click save, click this file tab and click new, choose the standard drawings and click create. It will be show for drawings area, click base and it will be automatically select the last objects for these drawings. I will click in here. You also can set for scale, like I will set into 10:1, click OK. To change these visual styles, these objects, you can double click and click in here to set into set, click OK. To set dimension, go to another tab, click dimension, and you can click like start from this point into here. To be create a dimension, click OK, create again in here, or you can create at these objects. You can zoom in to view. Okay, that's it, how to set part to drawings in Inventor. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.